Namaskara, Bengaluru.
Good morning to all ladies and gentlemen here, and we welcome you all to the much awaited finance event of the year, the Finance Day 2025, with the theme Where Strategy Meets Action.
We would like to invite our leaders who need no introduction, Shubha Swaminathan, the India Side Finance Site Lead, and Stephanie Libman, who is the executive sponsor for India.
The Finance Day has been a tradition in HP for over a decade, and the theme this year, as you already see, is Where Strategy Meets Action.
I'll tell you, you guys take finance days and you take it to a whole new level. You guys set the bar.
What are our growth plans to dovetail into this strategy?
When I came into the company about 20 months ago, the focus was absolutely on India being the growth market that will lead the way among a cluster of growth markets.
What inspired you to take up this leadership role at HP?
If not for HP, I would have been incubating an AI startup.
What's it to be like the head of PS category?
How HP India is actually seen at worldwide, from what it offers and the value it brings and the opportunity that it carries to the rest of the world.
Are you seeing progressive improvements as we report our earnings each quarter?
I think if somebody would have asked me a few years ago if HP ever would have been in a position to have a material weakness, and especially one that wasn't remediated at the end of the year, I would have said no way.
What we did was we wanted each individual in finance to internalize what quality meant.
Control, control, control.
I can't avoid, but control likes me. Sorry, I messed up. Ram Gopal Vallath, better known as Ramji Vallath, is a best-selling author and keynote speaker in his current avatar.
My life really started in the small villages of Kerala. But I told myself one thing, that irrespective of how my body is, I have to take on additional responsibilities at work, which will actually make me feel more powerful.
And I want to take this moment to thank each and every one of you for being here, for participating, for your engagement.
बैठो आराम करो, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है.